So I'm Dr. Christopher Fung. I'm one of the radiologists here at the University of Alberta Hospital. I've been a clinical teacher since 2016, so now this is my, I think, 4th year as clinical faculty. You can't do medicine without teaching. I think it's a core component. And it's part of being a physician, it's part of your professional responsibility, and it's half the fun of it's actually most of the fun of my job, quite frankly. So what makes somebody a really good clinical teacher is, there's a few different things. You have to be dedicated to the person who you're educating, and you have to try and recognize a gap that they have. You can't try and address everything at once, and you have to say, like, it's a contract, right? Like, today we're going to talk about this, or what do you want to learn is kind of the way that I like to do it. What do you like to learn? Or what would you like to learn about this case? And we'll talk about that so that, you know, they've learned it, and then fulfill that contract. Be at the end and say, did you learn something today? I try and do that with every single medical student that I teach. It pushes you. It pushes you to be better, and it gives you that chance to sort of interact with your future colleagues. Because these people are going to be out there, and they're going to be referring to you, or maybe even be in your group or whatever. And like, if you don't have that relationship, or you haven't forged that relationship, it's very hard when you're starting to not have somebody ahead of you to give you that helping hand and to call up and just ask. I think that the experience of being a clinical teacher is one of the most rewarding things one can have. You foster relationships with your future colleagues. You have to stay on top of all of the information that is out there, and it's what makes the job fun. You're not in there to go and solve everyone's problems or you know, crush a list or whatever. It's your day-to-day interactions with people that really drive that. You need that social interaction, and our learners provide that, and they give it back tenfold.